Gross weight confirmed, 75,200 pounds. You're clear to roll.
Okay, let's review the inspection logs for this batch.
Everything is checked and verified, Supervisor.
Good. Make sure the moisture levels are consistent.
To large bins inside the factory. The conveyor belts will soon take it to the next phase of processing.
The fiber, or bagasse, is expelled from the mill. It is pushed out of the machine, forming large piles on the floor.
The crushed sugarcane is moved along a conveyor belt toward a secondary processing area. The bagasse moves along another conveyor system, heading to a storage area where it will be kept for later use.
Brix levels are stable. We are maintaining optimal flow.
Noted. I'll collect the next sample for quality control.
The thickened sugarcane juice moves through pipes, becoming more syrup-like as water continues to evaporate. The sugarcane juice becomes visibly thicker and darker as the water content continues to decrease. The thickened sugar syrup, now concentrated, is transferred into a large crystallization tank. The syrup is ready to be crystallized into raw sugar. seed crystals are added to the sugar syrup in factory to help promote even crystallization. These crystals serve as the foundation for the larger sugar crystals that will form. As the sugar syrup cools further, it thickens and sugar crystals begin to form, giving the syrup a grainy texture as crystallization begins.
The sugar crystals are spread evenly in the drying unit, ensuring uniform drying.
The sugar crystals tumble gently inside the drying chamber, with warm air circulating through them, helping to remove moisture and ensure dryness. Once dried, the sugar crystals are transferred to the refining unit, where they will be further purified and any remaining impurities will be removed. The dried sugar crystals enter the refining unit, where they will undergo a final purification process to ensure the highest level of purity. The sugar crystals pass through a fine mesh in the refining unit, where any remaining impurities are removed, leaving behind pure, white sugar.
The refined sugar crystals are weighed to ensure that the right amount is packaged. Each batch is carefully measured for consistency.
The sugar is now ready to be distributed for commercial use.
The packaged refined sugar is stored in our house, awaiting shipment. The sugar is now fully refined.
Sugar is an essential ingredient in food production, as seen in this bakery, where it is added to cake batter to make delicious treats. Sugar is also widely used in beverages, such as soft drinks, where it adds sweetness and enhances flavor. Sugar plays an essential role in preserving fruits, such as in jams and jellies, where it helps maintain freshness and enhances flavor.
Sugar is also used in the production of biofuels, where it's fermented to create ethanol, a renewable energy source.
Sugar is used in the cosmetic industry, where it's a key ingredient in products like scrubs and lotions, providing exfoliation and hydration.
Sugar, a versatile product, serves countless industries.